how to earn coins in Lazada. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to earn coins in Lazada. First, open the Lazada app on your mobile device. Once you're in the app, tap on the account icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on MYR. This section shows how you can earn and manage your Lazada coins. To earn coins, participate in various activities offered in the app. These may include making purchases, completing daily tasks, joining promotions, or participating in special events. Then, check the Earn Coins section for specific activities and offers. You can also earn coins by inviting friends to join Lazada using your referral code or by taking part in Lazada's campaigns and promotions. Regularly check the Rewards section to see new opportunities to earn more coins and maximize your rewards. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.